Welcome to CQUniversity Australia. We are one of Australia's fastest growing universities, with a reputation that ranks some of the best in the world. So, your nomination has been accepted and you're ready to apply. Let's take you through how to apply for your exchange or study abroad program. We have multiple intakes per year. We recommend you submit your application at least 3 months prior to the start of each term. As part of your application, you will be required to select 6 to 8 units that you'd like to study. The CQU Global team can provide you with a list of recommended units, or you can search for more options via the handbook. Make sure you've got all the documents you need, including passport, academic transcript, and proof of English proficiency. You can submit your application through iStart via our website. iStart is our online application system for international students. It's quick and simple. iStart is your one-stop shop. You can apply for your exchange or study abroad program, monitor the progress of your application, receive your offer, and accept it. But first, you need to register. Then you follow the prompts. Before you know it, you'll be done. And now it's our turn to take care of the next step. Our admissions team will assess your application. If you are successful, you will receive a letter of offer via email. There are 2 types of offers. If you meet all the requirements, you'll get an unconditional offer. If you don't, you'll get a conditional offer. This means we need more information from you. But don't worry, we will let you know exactly what else we need. To accept your offer, you'll need to meet all the requirements on your offer. Once you have accepted your offer via iStart, we will then issue a confirmation of enrolment. Now you can apply for your student visa and prepare for your new adventure in Australia. If you're unsure about any of these steps, contact CQU Global for more information. We look forward to welcoming you to CQ University.